Linking your bank account to Temu is a straightforward process that allows you to make transactions easily. Follow these steps to set up your bank account connection. Step 1. Open the Temu app. Launch the Temu app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account. If you don't have the app, download it from your device's app store. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once you are in the app, look for the account settings option. This is usually found in the profile section or the main menu. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings, find the section labeled Payment Methods or Bank Accounts. Click on this option to begin the process of linking your bank account. Step 4. Add your bank account. You will see an option to add a new bank account. Click on it and enter the required information such as your bank name, account number, and routing number. Make sure all details are accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank account information, review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a verification message or email to finalize the linking process. Now you are ready to use your bank account with Temu for seamless transactions. Enjoy your shopping experience.